green flags. Steven's getting in position. Are you guys ready for stock trucks? So am I. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! They're all looking to try to get that perfect shot here. Josh just got covered in mud. There goes the shot. And they're free. Here comes the shot. I think 15 is getting a little messed up. Hold it! Hold it! Hold it! Hold it! We're gonna get number 15 off the blocks. You can't win the derby by pushing them on the blocks. We're just gonna get this game. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is he back? Oh, he's off. Oh my God, I think Sheldon has a Hummer tire. Big shot there. Round and round. Here goes Andrew. Sheldon may have a tire missing, but he's still going. It looks like it's slow to get down to 2. And 77 are under the count. 15's been counted out. They're trying to get traction. 02's got some broken tie rods. Can 77 refire? Nice shot there. 02 are going to be trying to fight it out. 02's got a steering issue. It's all in front of you. Chris is getting covered in mud. He's that 0-2's been counted out for not making a hit in the last 60 seconds. I think Brad Thompson is your winner right there. Even though 0-2 was still driving, he had to be able to make hits, and unfortunately, he was not able to make a hit. Congratulations, Brad Thompson, for your win. We still have the mini smash coming up.